Hi guys, it's me, Daisha Shakila, and I just did an amazing twist out, but we're not here to talk about that. I'm going to show you guys how to edit a video on TikTok. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and I'm going to get right into it because I do not like to waste your time. Also, I'm going to be showing you my screen so you can follow along as I go. For all of my visual learners out there, I got you. All right, so when you first open up your TikTok, you're going to see a For You section, and this is things and videos that TikTok thinks you want to see and that it wants to show. So you can kind of scroll through here, get some ideas, see what everybody else is doing, what trends, what challenges you might be able to pull off, and what you might want to do. It's some very interesting things up here. You're definitely gonna laugh. And also, if you look, there is an hourglass and it says discover. So if you tap on that, it's going to bring up things that are trending in the world of TikTok. So you can also scroll through here, see exactly what's going on, what you're interested in, what you might be able to do. I personally like the For You section just because it seems like that's where all the hot content is. And discover, I don't know, it just really doesn't do anything for me. Didn't mean to do that. And you can get back to your For You section by going home. So that's going to take you home. Oh my gosh. Once you see something that you want to do, you're simply going to save or favorite in the world of TikTok. That's what it's called. So you'll see the name of an artist and their song at the bottom, and you'll also see on the right hand side a little disc that is spinning. If you want to save that sound or add it to your favorites, you will tap on it and hit add to favorites. I've already added this one, so it says add it to favorites. And you can also choose to hit this button that says use this sound. So there are two ways to add your video to TikTok. You can record with the TikTok app, or you can pre-record on your phone and tap this upload button here and select any videos that you have pre-recorded and that you want to use. Now, if you use pre-recorded video, you may not have access to all of the effects that you will as if you recorded in the actual TikTok app. So when you're ready to record, you hit this little red button here, and oh my gosh, it has me looking amazing. So this is gonna be my first clip. Yeah. This is so, and my fingers look huge in this camera, but yep. And once you have your clip, I think there's a time limit on that too. It's like 10 seconds. So you can record it, and when you're done, you can hit the check mark in the corner. After you hit that check mark, it's going to save. And don't worry, like what I have done here, I let it time out at 10 seconds. That's the length of my first clip. You can also go back and start over if you need to. You can tap effects here, and it's going to show you effects that are trending. This little tab here is effects that you have saved. I have saved green screen because I really like that one, but you can scroll through, see exactly what you are into and what you might like. There's different strokes for different folks. There's also interactive, like these are fun. There's some games on here. There is also editing, and those are interactive as well. Things that you can change. My favorite on this one was the shades, that you can change what they say. There's also a cloning of yourself as well, digitized. Like this is so much that you could play with. Now, I do want to take the time to say, when you are going and looking in the For You section and Discover section, know what you want to do before you even think of recording. So definitely that. Again, you guys are watching my screen here. You can add stuff, so I can add a little hat. But my favorite, oh cool, I'm like Indiana Jones or something here. And while this is all really fun, I kind of know what I want to do. If you're doing a dance challenge like the dun, 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 da, dun, 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 da, or you want to do the wipe it down where you transform, you're just gonna do clip 1, then change your outfit, wipe it down, clip 2. TikTok will piece together clips for you. That is what TikTok does. It pieces together clips and add music and makes it look simultaneous. It's amazing. Again, I do like to pre-record. Imagine going into Walmart, which some people have done, and doing the little, what's the, like, the one where you do that on top of random stuff. You need to record that because you don't know if you're gonna get kicked out or what's gonna happen, and so it's just easier to add pre-recorded clips for certain types of dance challenges. So be aware of that, and also plan what you're gonna do, what time of day you're gonna do it. You know, you want a reaction out of people, you want sunlight to be on your side, or sometimes you might not. So always have a plan before you start recording on your phone, or definitely in TikTok. But if it's spur of the moment, it's spur of the moment. So if you want to discard a clip, just hit the X in the corner and that will ask you, do you want to discard the last clip? Hit yes, it will delete it. You have a fresh slate and you can start over. Now, again, going to sounds, use this sound. You can add effects in your sound, see what's new. I don't know, funny. Oh, you know what? And there's a lot of little, oh my gosh, I can't even find it. I should have favorited it. Oh, this is cute. So, wow, I'm a beautiful unicorn there. Okay, so anyway, once you have found exactly what you want, you get your effect. You're going to record again. Hi guys, it's me, Daisha Shakila, with my new nose ring. I hope you like it. Ow. And hit your check mark. That's as much as I want there. You can also add effects. Now, the thing with effects, the longer you hold the effect, the longer it's going to last. So if you just tap it, it's going to hit right where you tap. If you don't want it there, you can slide this and decide where to apply that effect. You can also apply different effects. Now, you cannot overlap. So let's say I tap this, it's going to override my previous effect. So you can't do a 2-for-1. Or maybe you can. Let's see here. Did it? Yeah. It overrode my last effect. So that part. You can also go into transitions, and there's a lot of little transitions here you can play with here. You can also split the screen. Again, the longer you hold it, the longer that effect, transition, split is going to last. You can also edit your time, reverse, slow-mo, repeat. If you have more than one clip, you can also, at this time, I would be able to drag my clips forward or backward so that I can kind of play with that clip. So yep, that's that. Once you have applied your effects, once you have your sound, you have done all that you wanted to do, you just kind of hit save, and it's going to save everything you just did. And yes, my battery is kind of low, so I know you guys are seeing that. Adjust clips. I don't have any other clips, I only have one, but you can adjust clips that you have and rearrange those. Drag and slide, which I only have one, so I can't really do that. This is also where you have your voiceover, your voice effects, where you can kind of play with your voice. That's really cool. I added sound, so if you have added sound, you cannot add a voice over or voice effect, if you will. Well, you get what I'm trying to say. If you have sound for a dance challenge or something like that, you can't have a voice effect too. So that part. You can also add text here. Let's say you want to, I don't know, hey y'all, you know, or if you see people with the text above their head or things like that, this is where it is added. And you can also edit that, play with that, add some stickers, things of that nature. And once you're done, hit next. It's going to start processing. If you are using sound from a challenge, it's going to hashtag it for you, like hashtag wipe me down or hashtag any of those. You can also describe your video. You can share your video to Instagram from here, and you can also save it to your phone as well if save to devices on. So yeah. And you can also allow a duet and a reaction. So you can allow people to like post reactions to your video, add comments, make it public, whatever you want to do. And also select cover will allow you to choose what you want people to see when they first tap on the video, which we all know in the world of YouTube, that first image is what you want to draw people into. You do not want them to like look and it looks boring, like she's just sitting on the couch. Like, you don't want that. So make sure that your first cover is something that you can just be like, what is she doing? Is she on the toilet? Oh my gosh, I have to click on this and see what's going on. So once you've done all that, you simply tap post. You will see it editing, finalizing, doing this thing in the upper left hand corner, depending on what side you're on here. And then it's gonna go. Once you tap on me, you'll see your video there, and voila. And also I created an account just for the purpose of making this video. So and then you'll also see what effect I use. Like, I use the piercing, so you'll see that. You'll see the music that I use, and then yeah, you're all set. So for all of my newbies out there, TikTok is supposed to be fun. Don't let it get you overwhelmed. Don't let it bring you down. Don't get frustrated with it. It takes time. The more you play with it, the more you can express your creativity. Again, this was a beginner's TikTok tutorial about how to edit your videos. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am going to also make a video about how to do the wipe me down mirror challenge without a mirror. Yes, that's my next video. I hope you guys come back and see more of me. And I kind of like that piercing. Thank you guys for sticking with me, and I'm going to come out with more TikTok tutorial videos about how to do certain transitions, like in the wipe me down. How do you exactly do that? How do you get those angles? How do you transition into your glamorous self from your normal, not so glamorous self? I have a video on that coming, and that's going to talk about how to transitional edit your TikTok videos. So you guys stay tuned. I'm Daisha Shakila. It's been real, and I'm out.